International Scout here. I think it's a 69. I just put a new rebuilt carburetor on it. Still wasn't getting any gas. So I finally tried just a gas can, running a hose to a gas can I got down under there. Still nothing. So then I took this hose and ran gas down in there and then disconnected this line. And eventually I got some really, really nasty looking gas that came out of the fuel pump. Had to be the fuel pump because it's not hooked up to any lines. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I'm standing outside. See? Good. Don't sound too bad. I put plugs in it. This carburetor, it's still got a little tiny mist to it. Might be just adjustment. I'm going to let it work the nasty gas out of it. So now I'm going to try to hook up the gas tank. See what happens. Yeah, see it? I don't know if I funky yet. Okay, that's really good. Okay, 1969 International Scout. Okay, I had it hooked up, pumping the fuel pump straight from a gas can. I got it to pump gas, I got it to run, got it to idle. Shut it off, turn back on, shut it off, turn back on, work fine. Hooked the gas tank back up, and nothing. Well, if I put gas down, the carburetor run for a minute and then die, so it's not getting any gas. So I either got a weak fuel pump or I got the gas tank switched wrong. It's got a right and a left. I tried both ways, didn't seem to matter. So somewhere along the way there's a problem in the lines, or the fuel pump just don't have enough oomph to push it. It didn't look that strong when I disconnected it here, but it did make it run. So I'm done for the day. It's hot. Later.